Eaty Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today we are making deconstructed Philly cheese steaks. Yeah, deconstructed Philly cheese steaks. This recipe stems from when I used to work at headquarters for Steak-umms. Fun fact, headquarters calls it steak-ums, not steak-ums. This recipe, along with the links to the products you see us using here, will be in the description below. If you don't already know, we do have a Facebook group, Stovetop Omnia Fans. Stovetop Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. It's over there. To Little House of Beans, a quick favor. Smooshy that like button, click the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I am ready to make deconstructed Philly cheesesteak. Let's make it.
Using what product?
Using steak-ums.